They're so big. So big, Ian. Ready for some more food? Potato. You're such a good eater, even if you take your bib off. Oh, you don't like that one. Here, let's move the bib. Let's put the bib down there. Where's Ian? Oh. Gonna give the camera a kiss? Yeah. With those grubby hands, I don't think so. Kiss? No, I don't think so. And say bye-bye.